One beat slow like a heartbeat steady. Earth keeps turning, soul stays ready. Smoke rise up to the evening sky. Ancient words never die. City noise try to cloud the mind, but truth still whispers through space and time. I walk barefoot on sacred ground, hear the ancestor sound. No rush, no fear, no illusion, just vibration and devotion. Hear the echoes of the Most High, flowing through the roots of time. One drop falling, spirits align. Truth and love, the sacred sign. Echoes of the Most High, deep in the baseline. Hear the cry, meditation of the mind. Echoes of the Most High. Babylon was made of paper and lies, fade away when the truth arrives. Gold can't buy what the heart must see. Freedom lives inside of me. Organ cry with a distant tone. Don't delay, make the message known. Every step in a righteous way. Night turns into day. Slow fire burning in the soul. Music make the broken whole. Hear the echoes of the Most High, flowing through the roots of time. One drop falling, spirits align. Truth and love, the sacred sign. Echoes of the Most High, deep in the baseline. Hear the cry, meditation of the mind. Echoes of the Most High. Rise up, from the dust we stand. One heart, one drum, one love in the land. Rise up, no chain can hold the sound. One voice, one truth, roots deep in the ground.